Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a Hyundai ix20 here on a 2014 plate. Yep, maybe 13 I would say plate. Just show you, I'm going to do a side light bolt. As you can see, that one's not working. This one is. It's quite a simple procedure on that one. On the back here, all you do, remove the cover. On the inside there, you can see the brown cable right in there. Yep, can you switch the lights off please? It's a 501 bulb you need, which is that one there, capless bulb. And all you need to do is pull the cover out for the bulb, just right there. And that's the bulb which is blown. So I've got the new one right here. I'm going to say there's only one way you can slot the bulbs in. So if I slot the bulb right in there and then slot it through the hole, which there's only one hole right there. I won't be able to see it because my hand. Yep. Now you can see that little hole there. So it sort of needs to slot in. Once it slots in, you'll hear a click noise. That's it. Job done. Can you just switch the lights on again please? Now you can see the lights. There we go. That's working. That's all you got to do on this particular model is the ix20. And just remember, make sure you put the seal cover back on as well. Just you don't want any water going inside. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.